So welcome to our channel Infinity Learn Mathematics. In this video we are going to solve the what very important property that will be asked, very important property that will be asked in the part E question number 51 for 6 marks. So this property is very important because it has been asked in maximum times, that is 5 times this properties has been asked in the examination. So let us we will discuss and prove the what property, then we will solve the what problems related to the what property. One definite property you will get in the examination. It is the first very important property for the point of what your exam. So first we will prove the property and we will solve the problem related to the this property, whatever that has been asked in the examination. Yes, see here. The first property is what here, very important property for the point of your exam, very important, that is P4, that is property fourth. How this has been asked in the examinations here: March 2014, March 2017, 2018, 2019 and July 2016. That is 5 times this property has been asked in your annual examination. It is very important property. Prove that integration of 0 to a f of x dx, 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this is the property that we have to prove, and the problems related to the property here in your exercise 7.10, this time it is not 7.11 I think. So 0 to 5 by 4 log 1 plus tan x. This problem has been asked in the year March 2014 with the what property. First we have to prove the what property, then we have to solve the what problem. And the second problem, that is it has been asked in the July 2016, that is 0 to 5 by 2 root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x. So let us first we will prove the what property. So write the property first here. So 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this is the property. So write the property, that is the proof of the property by taking what? RHS. First we have to take the what? RHS, that is RHS, that is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So now take the substitution here, that is a minus x is equal to what? T. I am writing here, put a minus x is equal to what? T. Put a minus x is equal to what? T. Take the substitution first and change the limits when x is equal to 0, that is lower limit, then x is equal to a. When x is equal to 0, put 0 here in the place of x here, put here 0, a minus 0, the value of t will become what? A. That is t is equal to what? A. When x is equal to a, put a here, a minus a is what? 0, that is t is equal to what? 0. It is very simple. Once again see here, put a minus x is equal to t as a substitution we have to take here. When x is equal to 0, that is lower limit is what here? What is lower limit here? 0. Put x is equal to 0 here, that is a minus 0, the value of t is what? A minus 0 means what? A itself, that is t is equal to what? A. When x is equal to a, then a minus a is what? T is equal to 0. Yes, once again write this one, a minus x is equal to what? T. Differentiate with respect to what? T. Derivative of a is what? 0, because it is a constant. Then minus sign as it is. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Then derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Solve for a dx. Now dx is equal to what? Cross multiply here, minus dt. This is the value of dx. Now come to the what here? Now right here, that is equal to integration of 0. When I take the 0, the value of t is what here? A. That 0 will become what here? A. Then when I take the x is equal to a, the value of t is what here? 0. Write 0 here in the place of a. F of a minus x. What is the substitution of what here? A minus x is what here? T. That is f of t. Then dx, the value of dx is what? Minus dt. That is minus dt. That is equal to a to 0 f of t dt I am writing here, and this minus sign I am writing outside of the what? Integral sign. Clear? What I did here, in the place of 0, after taking the lower limit in the substitution, 0 will become what? A, and a will become what? 0. A minus x is what? T, and dx is what? Minus dt. In the next step, take minus sign outside, a to 0 f of t dt. Now applying the second property. Listen carefully here what I said at the time of the first video, that is introduction video of the what? Properties of definite integral. If you interchange the limit, that is second property. Interchange the limit, that the sign of the integral will be what? Change. That is equal to, see here, that I am applying here, that is equal to, see here, integration of 0 to a f of t dt. It is already minus here. If you interchange the limit, again it will become what? Minus. Minus into minus is what? Plus. This minus will goes out. Yes. Then that is equal to, now the first property, change of variable, that is 0 to a, t will become what? X, dt will become what? Dx. That is equal to what? LHS. Therefore integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is the what? Proof of the property. I hope you are getting the things. Yes. Next we have to solve the what? Problem, that is integration of 0 to, pause the video and note it down. We will solve the what? The problems related to the what? This property.